I asked few of my friends why they chose to join Toastmaster program. They replied either to overcome fear of public speaking or to hone their leadership skills. But today, friends and fellow Toastmasters, I have a twisted tale to narrate. In March 2019, in a unique initiative by my organization, I got first opportunity to talk before 200 people for 20 minutes. It was first time I got to taste the nectar of public speaking, and I wanted it more. It is during this conference that I learned more about Toastmasters program and was intrigued. Eventually, I started attending my corporate club as a guest. At that moment of time, I felt that I am the best speaker than anyone in the room. Eventually, I signed up as a member in May 2019 with the impression that I just have to rub the lamp and get all the benefits. I was not aware of what were the consequences. Thanks to my tough mentor, I had to rewrite my icebreaker speech 6 times. And when it was time for demo, just before my mentor and his three proteges, I chickened out that day. It took me 3 months to finally give my icebreaker speech in our club. It was time for my second speech. I was practicing at home, and my wife was the second mentor, also my evaluator, while the audience was my two sons. In my speech, there was mention of a girl that I always imagined my life with in my childhood. And as soon as my younger son heard about it, he ran to his mom. Mama, did you know that dad had a girlfriend? While my wife ignored, didn't pay attention to it, he was curious and he had his doubts on. Next Sunday, I was giving a speech in one of the club, and the two detectives followed me. At the end of the meeting, they both fell in love with the program. Eventually, they joined a Gavel club. My wife was suspicious, looking at the frequent visits I was making to Toastmasters meetings. She followed and found me in the Toastmaster meeting in my office. After three meetings, at the fourth meeting, she was a Toastmaster. Well, as a VP membership, I had targets to complete. February 14th, it is known as Lovers' Day or Valentine's Day, and we all share gifts between each other, isn't it? But then, 2 weeks before Valentine's Day, my wife approached me. Darling, what do you want as a gift for the Valentine's Day? I'm sure nobody else would imagine what I wanted. I asked her, Kalpana, can you please give an icebreaker speech on Feb 14th? While everybody has spent their night before Valentine's Day on Feb 13th in a romantic way, I and Kalpana spent all the night practicing a icebreaker speech. Well, the Toastmaster saga at the tale continues. Our marriage relation has improved after joining Toastmasters. We don't fight, we don't argue. It is only table topics. It's a different fact that Kalpana gets unlimited time for her table topics or table topic evaluations. Well, there were several moments when in our office meeting, I judged people based upon their ahs and ums instead of their knowledge or their seniority. Well, is this just my tale? I think this is the tale of every Toastmaster around the world. Consciously or unconsciously, we all behave different than others, but similar to each other. The version of the story may change, but the outline remains same. Whether as accountant, grammarian, or speech evaluator, we all behave exactly the same, isn't it? But instead of this so many side effects, I'm here today to testify that Toastmaster program has helped me improve my communication and overcome my fear for public speaking. Did it just happen with a snap of fingers or rubbing the magic lamp? No, it didn't. It happened because I firmly believe and followed the four core values of Toastmasters. Integrity by honestly completing my projects. Respect for fellow Toastmasters, mentors, and mentees. Service by helping my proteges or anybody who approached me for the help. And excellence by repeating my speeches or always exposing myself to a different kind of audience. To do this, I have visited about 136 countries so far and given at least 150 plus speeches and visited almost 500 plus clubs across the globe. Today, I can firmly say that I have a strong belief in this Toastmaster program, and due to which I have renewed my membership in Toastmasters Club. By the way, fellow Toastmasters, what is your tale of Toastmasters? And did you renew your membership?